Miss Astha. We are very excited to have you on board with us today.
So my first question to you, Miss Astha, is that what do you think is the recipe for success in today's competitive work environment? Also, what skills do you think are indispensable for growth of an individual in today's corporate world?
Hi, good evening. Thank you for having me. Okay, so recipe for success in this competitive world. Definitely, as you would obviously have guessed, the first thing is to focus on your skill set. You need to keep on continuously honing your skills. That's the way you add value to the firm, to your company, to the world in general, right? So keep on investing in yourself and make mistakes. It's okay. Learn from them. Don't be afraid of failing. And I think work with people because no one can really make it alone. You have to team up, you have to collaborate, you must coordinate, you must learn to work as a team. And I think if you are a team player and you have good ideas about the work that you do, I think that's the recipe for success for me.
Moving on to the next question now. So, most of us, before stepping into the corporate world, we have a lot of assumptions about how the corporate work environment is going to be. So, would you like to bust some myths about how the corporate work environment actually is in accordance with your own experience?
Around the corporate environment, I'll just have to say that, I think we are not really sure of what we are getting into when we get into the corporate environment for the first time because as college people, we are very protected. We are in a shell of sorts. And then immediately when we enter into the corporate environment, things become way too real, way too fast. Not in a good way or a bad way. It's like, when you are in the real world, nothing is just good or bad. It's a mixture. And that's how this corporate environment is going to take you in. It's going to be dynamic, it's going to be fast. You will have to take some time to adjust, find your bearings. But I'm sure you're going to get through it.
That's super informative, Miss Astha. So my next question to you is that since you worked in a Big Four before, would you like to shed some light on how their work culture is? Also, do you have any advice for the thousands of people who wish to get into the Big Fours in the near future?
Big Four work culture. Let me see. So, Big Four work culture is very young, very vibrant, very dynamic. A lot of the workforce, a large population of the workforce is very young. So that's an element characteristic of the Big Four. And then it's very fast paced. For instance, you're going to work on a lot of clients at the same time, so you will have exposure of different industries, but you'll also have to be on your toes and manage different types of assignments at the same time. So that's Big Four environment for you.
So I'd like to ask you, Ms. Astha, keeping in mind the current global situation, what do you think does the growth prospects of a CA look like in the near future? Also, do you think is there any specific industry that is going to offer a lot of opportunities in the near future?
I think as a chartered accountant, when we are students, when we go through the entire grilling, articleship, and giving the exams, the entire process, we go through a lot. We're grilled on a daily basis for like 3 to 4 years, or how much time you take to complete your CA. So I think when you come out of that bubble, you are going to be better prepared than anyone else to handle the current economic situation. And because the kind of subjects that we study, they are so diverse, and we kind of know something about everything there is to learn in a business situation. So I think you are in a good footing as compared to your peers. So you don't have much to worry about. That being said, just keep your eyes and ears open, look for opportunities, and believe in yourself. You're going to do well.
So my last question to you, Ms. Astha, is that how do you think has your career decisions and your career path shaped you as a person? And if there was any changes that you would like to make in the career path that you had chosen, what would it be?
How has my career path shaped me? Okay. I think it has made me very independent. It's made me, resourceful, confident of my own choices that I make in my real life, because there's so much that we have to deal with in the office scenario. It just gives you more confidence to deal with your personal stuff. I don't think I would change anything in my career path at all. I think every aspect of your journey contributes to making you who you are in that moment. And we should embrace it, good or bad. I think good things take you forward, bad things just tell you what needs to be changed to go even further. So, in a way, all's good, You should never worry about your past and just look at the future. That's what I think.
It was great having you on board with us today. Thank you so much for joining us.